hey loves, and welcome back. Now, I'm always constantly in the lookout for new accessories, new gears to help with creating as a creator. And this is one that I stumbled on. I'm kind of eager to see how this performs, what this looks like. Now, this is going to be perfect for anyone who likes to create lifestyle content, unboxing content. If you want to get your perspective, your point of view, if you're someone who is very hands-on, I feel like this will be perfect for any content creator. This is a smartphone magnetic neck holder. Let me quickly open this up so that way we can see what we have going on. Okay, so we're going to do a quick unboxing and setup. Now, this is perfect for anyone who wants to go hands-free when it comes to creating content. Now, in this box, you get all of these accessories as well. This is the main neck mount. You also get a metal ring as well as a phone strap. Now, you have a guide to help with installing as well as a wet wipe. This is why we are here. I love the fact that this has an adjustable mount, so you can adjust it to whichever angle you like. So I'm going to go ahead to install the phone strap. I'm going to install this on my phone case because I'm going to be using my phone case as my mount or as my holder, right? So this is pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. Now, this phone mount is pretty flexible. You can adjust this to whichever angle you like, and the neck holder is also very flexible as well. So to open this up, you can click on that button to unlock it and then click it back in to lock it back. This is perfect for attaching your phone strap so that way your phone doesn't fall off in case it slips off the magnet. And this is what it looks like. Pretty easy to install, very straightforward. So I'm going to attach the metal ring. This is going to help with attaching my phone onto the magnetic holder. And it's pretty easy. Wipe your case or your phone clean, make it dry, and then attach it. You're supposed to let this sit for about 12 hours. Because we're reviewing this, I went ahead to use it. But this is what it looks like afterwards. I'm going to add my phone onto my phone case. And yeah, this is what we have. I'm going to quickly put this on. To put it on, you just have to press this button to open it up and pull it out. And then we're going to wear this like so. And then we're going to close it back. Okay, so I went ahead to attach the metal ring on the back of my case. You're supposed to let this set for about 12 hours, but I don't have that time. So we're going to be using it right now. All you have to do is to align the ring with this magnetic holder right here and we're good. So we can either film horizontally or twist it to film vertically. I also wanted to point out that this neck mount is pretty flexible, so you can bend it to contour to your body and to whatever angle you want it to be. But I just wanted to point that out, that it's pretty flexible. So you can adjust this to whatever angle you desire, and I think that is awesome. So yeah, this is how it works. I'm going to quickly try this out in like a real life scenario and see how well this performs. Now for extra safety, I'm going to put this in here just so we have an extra layer of protection. So that way, in case our phone slips off, it doesn't fall on the ground. But yeah. Now we are good. So this is what you look like when you're vlogging with this. I went ahead to attach the strap onto the neck mount so that way it's more secure. And these are the results that we got from the entire day of creating content. Okay, guys, so those were some of the clips that we were able to record using this magnetic neck mount. I definitely feel like it's worth it for anyone who likes creating faceless content, who wants to create lifestyle vlog content, unboxing content, cooking content, faceless content, editing content. You can do that using this and with your phone, and it's pretty sturdy, to be honest with you, using the magnetic metal mount as well. But yeah, this is definitely something to add if you like going hiking. This could definitely be something to add on to your creators arsenal, your kit, to elevate the angles in your content in general. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are when it comes to this device. Do you think it was worth it? I love the fact that you don't even have to charge it. My only concern is in terms of the stabilization, because it's attached to the body. You wouldn't get the most stable shots. However, you will get amazing shots using this. But I want you guys to be the judge of it. What do you think of the shots we were able to get using this magnetic neck holder? Was it a yes or was it a no? Let me know down in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll leave the links down in the description box in case you are interested. Feel free to check it out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay blessed. Bye, guys.